Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies at home. You are listening to your chemistry teacher, Ms. Sana Islam, and we are studying through APSIX online support program, OSP. Our level is 9th and 10th and your class is 9th. Today's topic is Think Tank, chapter number 6, Solutions, year chemistry grade 9, National Book Foundation, page number 125. Resources required: laptop, tab, smartphone, internet. Introduction and summary of the lesson is: this topic is about logical answer. In the think tank, you will be logically answered some question related to everyday life. In this topic, reasonable answers are required. Means it is on the above level, on the second level, except the book examples, you will study more example in this one. Daily life related examples have been given in this topic. Yes, some daily life examples we will discuss in this topic. So here, think tank, you can see. Question number 1 is: a 10 gram of solid solute is placed in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees and all of it dissolve. Whenever we look at the definition of the unsaturated one, you will see that it will dissolve all the solute and it has capacity to dissolve more solute. So in this, you can think that you can get an estimation that 10 grams dissolve into the 100 grams at 20 degree and it dissolve all. It means it is your unsaturated solution. Okay, whenever it will not dissolve and it settle down at the bottom, it means it is your saturated solution. And when we heat the solution and we will dissolve more solute, it means it's your supersaturated solution. Then another 4 grams of the solute is added at 20 degree. At the same temperature, we are adding more. How much? 4 grams. And all of it dissolve. Now, it's also dissolved. So, our first question is the first solution saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? Of course, it dissolves all the solute at the given temperature. So it means it is your unsaturated solution. Okay, and now second is also unsaturated because it can dissolve more of the 4 gram of the solute at the given temperature. But ऐसे समझें कि इसमें 10 grams we are dissolving into the 100 grams of water at the given temperature of 20 degree. अगर हम 10 ग्राम सॉलिड सोल्यूट के डिज़ोल्व कर रहे हैं 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ वाटर में और टेम्परेचर जो है गिवन है सेम है, नो चेंज, 20 डिग्री, एंड इट डिज़ोल्व ऑल, और पूरी तरह से हल हो जाता है. इट मीन्स कि नथिंग रिमेन एंड इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एनी टेम्परेचर. सो इट मीन्स इट इज़ योर अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन एंड बोथ आर योर अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. Okay, what should you do to change a saturated solution to an unsaturated solution? What we will do? We will add more solvent. If we add more solvent, so it means the solution has more capacity to dissolve more solute. अगर हम उसमें more solvent add करते हैं, solute will have more capacity to dissolve what? More solute. So it means it will be an unsaturated solution. So unsaturated solution's definition is that it has capacity to dissolve more solute. Okay, now an unsaturated solution to a supersaturated solution, yes, we can increase the temperature. Whenever we increase the temperature, an unsaturated solution will be converted into the supersaturated or a saturated solution. Okay, unsaturated will be converted into the saturated when we increase the temperature. Keep adding solute until the solvent cannot dissolve any more of the given temperature. Yes, if we keep adding the solution, the solution will be able to dissolve no more solute. Okay, this is your second answer. Now we are moving towards third. Knowing the molarity of a solution is more meaningful than knowing whether a solution is dilute or concentrated. Explain. Yes. Knowing a molarity is more meaningful. Yes, because of the knowing the molarity is more meaningful, because by knowing it you can not only know if it is diluted or concentrated, but also the actual concentration. By knowing the molarity you can know the actual concentration of the solute, actual concentration of the solution, either it is your dilute solution or concentrated solution. Now come towards the question number 4. Design an experiment to determine the solubility of the table sugar in water and at room temperature. Okay, it is very simple experiment. We just prepare a saturated solution of sugar, 100 grams of water. Take the solution in a pre-weighed china dish. First we will weigh the sugar particles and place china dish on the burner and heat it slowly until the water evaporates completely. Cool china dish and weight it. Calculate the mass of the sugar present in it. Solubility of the sugar in 100 grams of water at given temperature is 204 grams. ये आपने याद रखना है बेटा. This is your calculated value, that the solubility of sugar in 100 grams of water at room temperature is 204 grams. Solubility of sodium chloride and sucrose in water from 0 to 100 degrees. So here is the table in which the solubility of the sodium chloride from 0 to 100 degree and sugar from 0 to 100 degree has been given. At the temperature 0 degree, the sodium chloride NaCl dissolved is 35.5, whereas sugar dissolved is 179. And at the 100 degree, sodium chloride solubility is 39, and whereas sugar is 487. Now in this question number 5, we will design another experiment to prepare what 10 gram 10% mass by volume solution of copper sulfate pentahydrated. Copper sulfate pentahydrated is your Nila Thota. Common name is Nila Thota. Now we will dissolve 100 grams 10 grams of copper sulfate Nila Thota in sufficient water to make 100 centimeter solution. The resulting solution will be 10% mass per volume. Okay, we will take 10 grams of copper sulfate Nila Thota pentahydrated and dissolve it into the 100 grams of water. Okay, which solution is more dilute, 5 centimeter of 0.2 sodium hydroxide or 100 centimeter 50 or 100 centimeter, which one is more dilute? It means which has less molarity. So which has less molarity, 0.1 or 0.2? So let's find out. Case 1, volume in dm cube 0.05. we will divide the 50 centimeter, we will convert it into the dm cube. Now molarity has been given, number of moles we will find. Molarity by finding it will be 0.01, and in case 2 we will put the same values, we will get 0.01. so both has the same number of moles, 0.01. okay, now which solution is more concentrated of 0.1 or 100 gram centimeter of 0.1 molarity? Same, we will put the values into the formula. Mass of the solute, molar mass of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in dm cube, centimeter cube, and we will get 0.365. Since the mass of the sodium hydroxide is greater than the mass of the hydrochloric acid in 100 grams of water, therefore 0.1 of the solution is more concentrated due to the mass. Okay, benzene is a common organic solvent. It uses in now restricted because it can cause cancer. Yes, benzene is a very harmful organic solvent because it can cause cancer. The recommended limit of the exposure to benzene is 0.32 mg per dm cube of air. Calculate the molarity of this solution. In this solution, as you know, mg, milligram per dm cube has been given. So we will convert the milligrams into grams. by dividing 1000. Now we will get by dividing it into the formula. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.